Good morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's Friday and it's USDA report day, so later today we'll see what the USDA thinks. Number one, about Brazil corn and soybean crop numbers. Number two, what they look at as far as world and global wheat production, especially in Russia. Also exports coming out of the Black Sea. We'll also be seeing if they make any adjustment to Ukraine corn exports, and here in the United States, we've got the soybean export commitment down about 19% from last year. USDA is forecasting a 12% decline due to lower exports. In corn, we're up 27%. USDA is looking for an increase of 26%, so they doubt if they make much changes there. And in wheat, I think we're up about 5 to 6%. I'm not sure if they're going to raise wheat exports or not in this report, given the lower prices globally and also the fact that there's just strong competition for higher priced U.S. wheat exports. We did see China cancel 2 cargoes of U.S. soft winter wheat as rumored. We think that there might be only a total of 4 to 5 cargoes canceled, which probably suggests that the knee-jerk reaction to the announcement is probably a little bit worse than it could be. Weather-wise, we're still waiting to see what kind of Brazil weather is going to end their crop year. In the U.S., we'll see what kind of weather we start our growing season. Again, our weather guy believes that we could see a little bit better chance than normal of a dry and warm summer, especially in the western corn belt and parts of the southern plains. I think we'll be watching pretty closely the drought monitor index over the next 3 to 4 weeks to see if it shows this dryness. We also noted that Egypt canceled their tender because prices were too high, and also that the funds are continuing to be short 149,000 beans, 39,000 meal, 55,000 oil, 343 corn, and 85 wheat. Yesterday, the maize soybean oil futures tested the 50-day moving average, but moved back. We've got the bean market right now. May beans traded over the 20-day moving average, but still a long way from the 50-day moving average. May meal also tested the 20-day moving average, but didn't trade over it. The May corn, May wheat right now, a long way away from the 20-day moving average. And as far as the May corn is concerned, we're kind of lower from the overnight high, but we're still above the 20-day moving average and still kind of a long way from the 50-day moving average. The managed funds have been covering some of the shorts this week, and I think a lot of them will be watching to see if the USDA report supports a bottoming action in some of these markets and even a higher trade.